Alright folks, let's finish up on the pressure washer. What I ended up doing was I ordered a new pump. I got this on the warehouse at Amazon. It was only $45, so rather than trying to fix the other one for even 50% of that, it was just cheaper to buy a new one. Otherwise I was going to probably reuse the engine for something else. So let's get it on. I've got some anti-seize on the keyway and the shaft, and we're just going to then slide it up into the three mounting points, and they should be the same. So we're just gonna line up the keyway and then get it to go. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Alright, so this is only held in by 3. I'm gonna take the tube off here for now, and then so it should line up just like that. First thing, we're gonna get the keyway right and see if we can get that to go in. Yes, it does. And then we can rotate it to where we need it, which is right there. I can send the first bolt up through it and the engine. There we go. And then I'm going to put the lock nut on it loose. Then the second bolt through the other. And this one is a little tighter here, but we're going to get it on. And then the third one, before we tighten up anything, goes in the last part of the arm and in the front of the engine. Here we go. Alright, and this thing was in like new, so I got a goodie bag just like that, and it should be okay. I got a screen filter here that I'll put here before I put the hose on, and hopefully everything will be good after that. I got a new pickup and some other stuff. So let me get this tightened up, and then let's get the hose connected and the other assembly connected, and give this a whirl. Okay, so give me a second. I'm just going to tighten it up and we should be good to go. Okay, everything's attached and we're about to fire the engine. Let's see if it works. Here's the spray. There it is. Okay. Alright, so let's start her up. On. Don't choke. Alright, let's try again. Let's warm it up a little. Oops, forgot to turn on the fuel. That's not a bueno. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I think that's gonna work. Thank you for subscribing and have a great day. Bye now.